Yes, welcome to Boardmaster online classes. My name is Khada Ramesh. Today our topic is blood relations. In the last class I already introduced you about the family relationship and as well as family tree and how to remember the genders. So masculine gender what, feminine gender what, neutral gender nothing but father is how, brother is how, sister is how, everything I already introduced. Okay, now today let us start the exercise and enter. We have to know the clearly all the topic. Now let us start the question number 1. So in the question number 1, pointing to a photograph, a man said. Here the person is introducing type 1 model. So in the type 1 model, so there are the blood relations will be, we can say the 3 types only. First type is nothing but introducing the persons as well as introducing the photograph, introducing the portrait, like that will be there. In the type 2, that is will be the puzzles will be given. So nothing but there are the 6 members of the family. So in that A is the father, B is the son, like that family. So puzzles will be given. In the type 3, A plus B means A is the brother of B, B minus C means C is the sister of A, like that symbols will be given. Now we are learning type 1. In the type 1, so let us start the exercise. So pointing to a photograph, a man said. So first of all, where the photograph is there, you have to see this is the photograph. So in the photograph, a person is there. So nothing but pointing a photograph, a man said. The person who is saying is very, very important. The speaker is important. Introduced person is very important. Here the man is introducing. So first of all, man is introducing. He is the masculine gender. That first of all we have decided. Okay. So said, I have no brother or sister. So I don't have any brother or sister. Okay, no problem. So that man's father means nothing but whose father? Photograph man's father. Okay. So photograph man's father is my father's son. So the person who is saying, wherever the person said my, there only we have to catch the relation. There only the logic. Nothing is here. First of all, wherever says, for that only we have to wait for that. Where is saying my? Where is saying my? So that is why here the person is saying, means this is the person only introducing this person, photograph person. How did I write here? Because this person is my father's son. So father's son means nothing but this man is here only. This is the only man. This man only introducing him. So this man does not have any brother or sister. But only one person is son to this person. So that is why this person, while he is introducing, he is saying this person, this photograph is my father's only son's son photograph. Nothing but who's this photograph? So our answer will be his sons. Okay, tell me what his sons is the answer. So come to the question number 2. While you are seeing the question number 2, while you observe the question number 2, here pointing towards a boy. So Veena said, speaker is Veena. Veena is nothing but feminine gender, female gender. So first of all, you have to find the relation with through Veena or a boy. Veena said. So he is the. So actually, I take the boy here. I take the boy here. So he is the. So he is the son of only. He is the son of my grandfather. My grandfather's son's son. My grandfather's son is nothing but where will be the Veena? Veena here only, because Veena's grandfather. So Veena's grandfather's son. So this boy is, Veena is introducing this boy, said that this boy is my grandfather's only son. My grandfather's only son is nothing but my father. My father's son. My father's son is nothing but what? My father's son is equal to my brother. My father's son is equal to what? My brother. So what is the question is given? How is the boy related to Veena? So answer is what? Brother is the answer. Answer is brother. So okay, right. Now come to the question number 3. In the question number 3, introducing Reena, Monica said. So here introducing Reena, Monica said. Monica is the speaker. So you can draw the Reena or Monica, anybody. So first of all, Reena said, okay. Introducing Reena, Monica said. Okay. She is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Who is saying my father's only daughter? So Monica said. So first of all, let the Monica here. So Monica, father. Monica father's only daughter is what? Monica. So she is the daughter. Daughter means nothing but, so Monica's daughter only. Introducing Reena. See, introducing Reena, Monica said, she is the only daughter of my father's. She is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Wherever my father said, Monica where said my father's only daughter is nothing but Monica. My father, only daughter who is Monica only. So Reena is Monica daughter. So Reena is Monica daughter. So how can we say she is the daughter of my father's only daughter? My father's only daughter is myself. Myself is nothing but Monica. So Reena is my daughter. That is very, very simple. So our answer is, question is asked, how is Monica related to Reena? Monica related to Reena asked. So answer is what here? Answer is mother. Answer is mother. Very, very simple. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4. Pointing to a man, a woman said. So pointing to a man, woman said. Speaker is woman. Okay, right. Means his mother. Means nothing but take the first of all man. Pointing to a man. His mother. Okay, na? His mother. Whose mother? Man's mother. Okay. Pointing to a man. So about the pointing to a man. Man is important. Man, woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. Very, very simple. So first of all, we are given the very simple. So his mother means man mother is only daughter of my mother. Nothing but this mother's, okay, my mother. So how is the woman related to the man? So this introducing man, woman is all, introducing woman is she is only. So that is why, how is the woman related to man? So answer is mother. What is our answer, please? Mother is the answer. Very, very simple. Now come to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, pointing towards Rita, Nikhil said. Pointing towards Rita, Nikhil said. Okay, Rita. So nothing but here, Rita, Nikhil said. Nikhil is speaking. Where is Nikhil? We don't know. Nothing but upper generation or down generation or same generation. First, after we have confirmed only, we have to draw the about the Nikhil. Such to anybody, either Nikhil or Rita, first of all you can take, then after you have decided. Pointing towards Rita, Nikhil said, I am the son of her mother's son. Okay, her mother's. So Rita mother's. Her mother is nothing but what? Rita mother's son. Rita mother's son is who? Rita brother. So son. Rita brother's son. So nothing but he is. Who is this? Pointing towards Rita, Nikhil. He is only Nikhil. He is only Nikhil. So Nikhil said about Rita, what is saying? I am son of, okay, her mother's son. I am her mother's son means nothing but Rita mother's son. Rita mother's son is what? Rita mother's son. Mother's son is Rita brother. Rita brother. So Rita brother. So Rita brother. This Rita brother's son nothing but what is asked in the question? How is Rita related to Nikhil? So Rita related to nothing but father's sister. So answer is, so father's sister. So but answer is, what is our answer? Final answer. Father's sister is aunt. Father sister, what we have to say? Aunt we have to say. Either father sister or mother sister is aunt. But in this question, very simple. Rita, Nikhil is introducing Rita, said that her mother's son, her mother's son is her brother's son is nothing but Rita is the aunt of Nikhil, or Nikhil is nephew of Rita. Okay. Now come to the question number 6th. Question number 6 is, pointing to a lady, a man said. Nothing but your introducing person is the man. Okay, he is introducing the lady. Okay, pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother. Okay, introducing a lady. So I will take the lady here, because introducing her only, na, that is why. Pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother, her brother's son. Okay, so the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. Okay, my wife is nothing but, so wife. Whose wife? This man wife. Okay, simple. So that nothing but pointing to a lady, a man said. So speaker is to the man only. Man is saying my wife brother. Who is my wife brother? Introducing a lady, a man said, pointing to a lady, a man said, the man is speaking, said her. So man said, the son of her only brother, means nothing but lady brother's son is, so my wife brother nothing but this, she and he is the wife and husband. So he is the brother of this lady, his wife. So nothing but he is the brother-in-law. He is what? Father-in-law. She is what? Father-in-law, sister. So what we have to say? Sister of father-in-law. So answer is, direct we cannot say here, sister of father-in-law. But somebody says that here, aunt, no, we could not say the aunt here. Why? Because aunt is nothing but father sister or mother sister is called father sister or mother sister is called the aunt. But here, father-in-law's sister. Okay, that is why sister of father-in-law we have to say the answer. What we have to say? Sister of father-in-law. Because direct relation man to lady is not there. That is why we have to say the sister of father-in-law. Don't say auntie like that words. Now come to the question number 7th. Question number 7th is, pointing to Ketan, Namrata said. Okay, so Namrata is speaking regarding the Ketan. He means that Ketan. First of all, take the Ketan. Okay, so pointing to a Ketan, Namrata said. Okay, this is Ketan. Okay, pointing to Ketan, Namrata said, he is the son of my father's only son. So my father's only son. So Namrata. So Namrata father. Okay, na? So she is saying that he is the son of my father's only son. My father's only son. Okay. So okay, once again, pointing to Ketan, Namrata said. Namrata is speaking here. Namrata said, he means Ketan is the masculine gender. Okay. He is the son of my father's only son. My father's only son. So, father's only son's son. Okay. Okay. So, pointing to a Ketan, Namrata said, he is the son of my father's only son. My father's only son. Okay. So, how is Ketan how Ketan mother related to Namrata? Ketan mother. Nothing but this is the Ketan only, na? So Ketan mother is asking. So Ketan mother nothing but she is mother. Mother nothing but his wife. So she is the Namrata. So nothing but this person is brother of Namrata, brother's wife. Brother's wife is what? Sister-in-law. Brother's wife is what? Sister-in-law. Okay. So first of all, once again, understand this puzzle. So once again, when you are observing, pointing to Ketan, Namrata said. Namrata is speaking. Namrata said, he is the son of my father. My father, not Namrata father's son. Namrata father's son is what? Namrata brother. Namrata brother's son. Namrata brother's son. But asked the question is, how is Namrata related to Ketan is not asked. What is asked in the question? How is Ketan's mother? She is the Ketan mother. Ketan mother related to Namrata. So nothing but here, brother's sister. Brother's sister is what here? Brother's sister. So answer is sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. According to the law, she is the sister. Okay? Right. Now come to the question number 8. Okay, now 8th question is, a woman introduces a man. So, a woman introduces a man. Not woman is introducing to the man. Okay, next word. As the son of the brother of her mother. Okay. So, a woman introducing a man. So, if you take the man here, so where is woman? Upper generation or down generation or equal generation? We don't know. Just wait to conclude that. So, a woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. Okay, this is the point. Brother of her mother. Her mother means nothing but woman. So, woman mother. Woman mother brother. Woman mother brother. Brother's son. So, nothing but woman mother is nothing but woman mother. Mother brother is nothing but woman uncle. So, woman uncle's son. Woman uncle's son is nothing but what? Uncle's son is what? So, uncle's son is equal to cousin. What is your answer? Cousin is our answer. So, answer is cousin. Uncle's son or aunt's son is cousin. I already told you. Now, question number 9th. Question number 9th. Introducing a man, a woman said. Nothing but here, introducing a man, a woman said. So, she is also introducing a man. Man, okay, in this part. Okay, introducing a man, a woman said, he is the only son of my mother's mother. He is the only son of my mother's mother. Okay. So, where is lady here feel? So, he is the son of my mother's mother. Okay. So, woman, if the woman is here, woman mother, mother's mother. Okay, so nothing but introducing a man, a woman said, he is the only son of my mother's mother. My mother's mother, only son. So, nothing but he is a man. So, this man will be, I wrote there only because, so man's mother's mother, nothing but man uncle, is woman's uncle. Now, what is the question asked? How is the woman related to the man? So, this man is what here? Mother's brother. Mother brother is nothing but uncle. What is the woman to the man? Woman to the man is, answer is equal to niece. What is your answer, please? Niece. How to recognize it is? Woman's mother's mother, woman grandmother. Woman grandmother's only son. Grandmother's only son is woman's mother's brother. Woman's mother's brother is uncle. Uncle nothing but he is the man is to the uncle to this woman. This woman is to the niece to that man. Now come to the question number 10th. Question number 10th. Okay. In the question number 10th, looking a portrait. So a man, Harsh said, okay, a photograph, nothing but said, who is speaking here? So looking a portrait of man, Harsh said, Harsh is speaking here, is showing the photograph, okay? His mother is the, so this photograph man mother. His mother is the wife of my father's son, okay? So man father's son. Man father's son is nothing but that man only. So son, brothers and sisters I have none. Okay, the speaker is a man he does not have man, brother or sister, because if the mother or sister is there, she will be the, so brother's wife will be there. That is the chances to, she will become the mother brothers. So like that is why brothers' wives. That is why this man father's only son, this one. Only son's wife, nothing but a man's wife. This photograph is the mother's, nothing but this photograph is, mother is this man's wife. This photograph mother is man's wife. So what is asking in this question? So whose portrait? Harsh looking. Harsh, nothing but he is Harsh only, na? So Harsh looking is his son photo. His son's photo. So Harsh looking is his son's photo is the right answer. This is the clear introduction regarding the type 1. Okay. Now let us continue the type 2 model. In the type 2, we have to introduce the relationship like a family tree. Nothing but there will be given the puzzles. Based on the puzzles, we have to prepare the family tree. So that on the basis only we have to solve the answer. Now let us start the exercise type 2. Now come to the number. So first of all, read the instructions. There is given the instructions. First of all, you have to read it. In a family of 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E and F, there are 2 married couples. So in that 2 married couples are there, means nothing but wife and husband, there are 2. So D is grandmother of A. Okay, first of all, so D is grandmother of A means how to draw? D is grandmother of A. So already D's gender is fixed here. D sex is fixed here. D gender of A and mother of B. So D is only mother of B. But we don't know the present. We don't know sex of B and A. We have to be just wait. Then we have to decide it. Next, C is wife of B. So C is wife of B. Nothing but this is the C. C is whenever become the wife, automatically B become the masculine gender. How? Because a female member should have the male member only, husband. That is why C is the wife of B, nothing but, so B is the male member, C is the female member. Okay. Now, wife of B and mother of F. So, C is wife of B and mother of F also given. Mother of F also given about the F. Okay. Next, C is the mother of F as well as B is the father of F. Okay. Next, F is the granddaughter of E. So F6 also mentioned here. F is the granddaughter of E, nothing but out of 6 persons. Here 5 persons are left. Only 1 person is there. That person is who? E. So she is the what? Granddaughter of E. Nothing but where will come E? Compulsory. E is the comes to chance is E. So E is the masculine gender. How can we say? Because 2 married couples are required. Here 1 married couple is over. Again 1 married couple is required. So that is why D and E will become the grandparents of the F and A. Grandparents of the wife and how do we decide it? Because how did we decide it? Nothing but there are 2 married couples is necessary. This married couple is a fix. We don't know the sex of A. But if there is not given the sex of A, unnecessary we should decide the sex is male member or female member. Don't decide. If the puzzle is given, then only we have to decide. Otherwise, don't decide the. So, what is the sex of A? So, in the question, there is not mentioned sex of A. That is why you have to keep quiet. There only we have to say the answer. So, come to question number 1. What is C to A? So, what is C to A? Nothing but C is asking. If he is asked A to C, nothing but we cannot say. Either male or female, we don't know the sex of A, but we know the sex of C. What is C to A? Nothing but if A is male or female, she is mother only. So first of answer is nothing but 11th question answer is what? So 11th question answer is mother. Mother is the answer. Question number 12th. So question number 12th is what? How many male members are there in the family? Male members is nothing but here is 1 member, but we don't know the sex of A. So that is why unnecessarily we don't decide the sex of A. So then directly you have to say cannot be determined. Otherwise simply can't say. So if you observe the options also there, you can see first option is what here? How many? 2 members are there, 3 members are there, 4 members are there, cannot be determined is there. So that is why cannot be determined is the option. Answer is D. Answer is D. Okay. Now come to the question number 13th. So come to the question number 13th. Which of the following is true said? Which of the following is true said? First option, read the first option. So which of the following is true? A is brother of F. So About the A only says, because where there is not given the sex, where there is not given the gender, there only has the more question. A is the brother of F. Oh no, can't say, because A sex we don't know. How can we say is the brother? Second option you have to see. So A is sister of F. No, we don't know. So A is sister of F also. As well as D has two grandsons. D has two grandsons. No, we don't know about the A sex. That is why that is also wrong. Okay. Next to D also. Okay, B has two daughters. Okay, no. So our answer is question number 13th. Question number 13th is D has two grandsons. No, B has two daughters. B has two daughters also wrong. So answer is here none of this. None of this is the answer. Why? Because we have to say none of this, nothing but simple. So about the A only don't know. That is why we have to say the none of this. Come to the question number 14th. Value question. Who among the following is one of the couple? One of the couple is what? D1 couple, BC1 couple. But through the choice, whatever is given, with that we have to decide. In first option is, so in the first option is given is CD, DE, EB is given. So but of course the answer is D is the answer. D is because D means nothing. D is the grandparents. They are also the couple. So because here is couple is not mentioned, that is only we have decided with the answer. Right, super. Now come to the question number. This is a clear regarding the type 2 question number. So 11 to 14th. Now again let us start the question number next 15 to 20. So there is also given the one more puzzle. First of all, you have to understand the how to draw the family tree. So this is male purpose, you have to place couple is purpose is equal to female purpose, you have to say the small dash. With that you have to decide. Here about the A you need not to worry, that is your answer. Okay, clear. Now let us take the question number 15th onwards. The 15th onwards, study the following information carefully and answer given below. Same, all the 6 members of a family A, B, C, D, E and F are traveling together. Okay, 6 members are there in the family, they are traveling. Okay, if they are traveling, no problem, they can enjoy. B is the son of C. Okay, first B is son of C. So B is the son of C. So B is the son of C, but C is not the mother of B. Not mother is nothing but what will become? Father. So B is son of C, but C is not the mother. Mother means who will be there? Automatically he is the father. Okay. A and C are married couple. A and C are married couple is nothing but already C is the male member. A must be what here? Female member. Fix. There is no problem. So A and C are married couple mentioned. E is the brother of C. So E is the brother of C, nothing but E. E is the brother of C. Masculine gender. We have to put the dash like this arrow. Then next E is the brother of C. D is the daughter of A. D is the daughter of A, nothing but. So D is the daughter of A. So D is the daughter of A and C also you can say. F is the brother of B. F is the brother of B. F is the brother of B. So now already we have decided C and A are the married couple. So B, D and F are their children. E is the brother of C. So E is the brother-in-law of A. Now come to the answers. Question number 15th question. What is the 15th question? How many male members are there in the family? Male members are very clear here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4 is the right answer. Question number 16th. So who is mother of B? Mother of B's answer is what? A. So if you want to see the options, first option is D, second option is F, third option is C, E, fourth option is D. D option is E. So our answer is A is the answer. So option, if you see the answer option, there is the D option is the right answer. But I will write here direct answer. A is the okay. A is not option. A is the so mother. Next, how many children does A have? How many A children does he have means D is the daughter of A said, but B and F also A's children only. B and F also A's children. Must not be A children are F, B and D. How many children are there? There are 3 children are there. So 3 children is the option. So 3 children, where is option? In the C is there. Next, who is the wife of E? Wife of E asked, but here E's wife is not given in this puzzle. His wife, so he married or not married also not given. So what you have to say? Question number 18th. So question number 18 is can't say or cannot be determined. Cannot be determined is the answer. Now come to the question number 19. Which of the following is a pair of females? Pair of females is AE. AE is the female? No. A is the female, E is the male member. No chance. Second option is BD. So BD also not answer. Next DF. DF also not answer. Next AD. You A is and D. So our answer is AD. A is D is the answer. AD is nothing but option is E. Option is D. Option is the right answer. Like this simple we have to decide the answer. Puzzles doing is very easy. With the sharp, if you do within already 1 or 2 minutes, you will get the 5 to 7 marks, because there are more marks. First understanding only difficulty, then after doing very simple.